Emptiness just flies away. You console all. If we could stop the time right now, we feel the night is upon us. We fall in you.